Welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Instagram and exploring how to share highlights on your PC with the latest updates. If you've ever wanted to showcase your favorite stories or share someone else's highlights, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the profile that contains the highlight you wish to share. This could be a friend, a brand, or anyone whose content you admire. Under their bio, you'll find the Highlights section. Click on it to see all the highlights they've created. Take a moment to browse through them and find the one that catches your eye. Next, click on the specific highlight you want to share. This will open up the story associated with that highlight. Now, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a unique link for that story. Right-click on this link and choose Copy from the drop-down menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it easy to share. Now that you have the link copied, you can share it wherever you like. Whether it's in a message to a friend, on another social media platform, or even in an email, just paste the link and let others enjoy the highlight you've discovered. This new feature makes sharing content on Instagram more accessible than ever, especially for those who prefer using their PCs over mobile devices. Remember, highlights are a fantastic way to keep memories alive beyond the usual 24-hour story limit. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to share highlights on Instagram using your PC. Make sure to explore more features Instagram has to offer and stay updated with their latest changes. Happy sharing!